Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you will be in good condition of health and iman. Today we will discuss about activity book. Our topic is related to extract during reading. The extract name is An Account of Mutiny of HMS Bounty. Before discussing the activity book, we will recall the summary of the extract, which is as given below. HMS Bounty was the name of the ship on which mutiny was led by Mr. Christian. According to the name, the Bounty was the name of the ship. According to the name of the extract, the Bounty was the name of a ship on which the mutiny was led by the Christian. Now here the question is, what is mutiny? Mutiny was a revolt led by the Mr. Christian and his crew. Bounty was commanded. William Bligh stated that once he was sleeping early in the morning when Mr. Christian and his crew came into his cabin and they all were armed. They tied their hands and led the mutiny. Bligh asked the reason for this, but they replied to blow out the brains on a little noise made by them. Here we acknowledge that Mr. Bligh and his porters were unaware of this. Mutineers lowered them onto board with small food and water. They were allowed to take bread, rum, water, etc. They were also allowed to collect sail, canvas, twines, lines for their protection. But they did not permit to take maps and calendars. Bligh served his porters on board with oysters, water, rum, and bread. During his journey, he gave the blood of a bird as a remedy to the weakest men. Here we acknowledge that some people were there on board who were weakest or who were weak. So Mr. Bligh gave them the blood of a bird as the remedy to cure them or to treat them. When we come across the weather condition, we came to know the weather was too cold and rainy. So we can conclude that it was a horrible adventure for Mr. Bligh and his sporters. Here we recall some key points of summary. Now we will move towards the extract of activity book. The first extract is related to the first question is, complete the following chart with the information taken from the extract and account of the mutiny of HMS Bounty. First we will discuss the name of the weapons. Here the question is, weapons possessed by Christian and his porters were, the name of the weapons were cutlass, muskets and bayonets. Next question is, people confined by Christian. What were the names of the people who were confined by Christian? So the names are the master, the owner, the surgeon, Mr. Elphinstone, Master's Matt and Nelson. The third question related to the extract is, what were the threats? What were the threats made by Mr. Christian and his crew for only a little noise made by the Mr. Bligh or William Bligh and from his crew member or his porters? The threat were of instant death. What were the items taken by boatswain and seamen who were to be abandoned? The things were, or the items name were, twine, canvas, lines, sail, cordage and 8 and 20-gallon cask of water, 150 pounds of bread, rum, cornet and compass. The next question is, what type of food was served as a meal on the board? The things were, or the food was, oysters, breads, water, rum, which were given by William Bligh to his porters on board. The last question is related to the weather. The weather condition while on the board, the lounge. What were the conditions of weather? The weather was rainy and cold. Now we will move towards the next question, which is related to exploring journals. The first question is that how does Captain Bligh begin each entry? So as you see in your step ahead that each entry has been started with the day. So the answer is that Captain Bligh began each entry with day. Okay. The next question is why is it important for such a journal to begin in this manner? As you see that the journal is related to a crime which is named as mutiny. So we can say that in any case, if a crime is committed, this journal only might be useful in this connection. Or we can say that the journal is related to the crime. Or we can take help from this journal while writing a journal on the same crime or an other type of crime. The third question is related to circle the numbers in the following chart to rate Captain Bligh's writing style in his journal. So here in this question, we will rate the different writing styles of Captain Bligh. We will encircle the number which is more closely related to his style. For example, if the writing style more informal, then we will encircle number 1. If the writing style is less informal, then we will encircle number 2. Similarly, if the writing style is more formal, then we will encircle number 5, and if less informal, then we will encircle number 4, and if the writing style is not formal and informal but between both them, then we will encircle or then we will centralize the number which is number 3. Okay, so we can see that first of all his writing style was formal. He wrote all the journals related on the formal conversation. So we will encircle the number 5. Here I am underlined the number 5. You will encircle it. The next is his writing style was impersonal. It was not much impersonal, but it was less. So we will encircle number 2. The next is his writing style was mature but not much mature. It was less significant or less mature, so we will encircle number 4. The next is his writing style was not humorous but it was serious one. So we will encircle number 4 because it was not completely serious. The last is his writing style was disorganized or organized. So his writing style was completely organized. So we will encircle number 5. In the last question, we will give the evidence to prove our rating. The question is, cite evidence from Captain Bligh's journal entries to support your ratings. So the evidence is, I demanded the reason for each evidence but reached on other answer than abused for not holding my tongue. This is the extract which you read in your step ahead. So we will quote this extract as a proof or as an evidence for his writing style. Hope you will all understand it. Take care.